Hi, good morning. My name is Diana Reyes Sanchez. The teacher name is Hania Milen Hurtado Durango. This is my video presentation. Begin. This is my husband. His full name is Nestor Pedroso. His age is 43 years old. He was born in 1982. His birthday is May 22. He works in an insurance company as an occupational risk consultant. He likes to read, research, and look at photos and videos on motorcycles. He really enjoys watching Netflix series. One of his hobbies is spending time with his family. In his free time, he likes to listen to music. Thank you. Bye.